This handrail has pulled loose from the bricks it was anchored to. Previous repairs haven't done the job, so it's time to replace the bricks. The first one is already broken and loose, so it comes out pretty easily. The second brick is more typical. Use a cold chisel and be sure to wear eye protection and gloves. It's better to take lots of small bites rather than try to take out the whole brick all at once. Be careful not to aim the chisel toward good brick, or you might break it by mistake. When you've finished chiseling, clean out the loose debris so the new mortar sticks well. This is about the right consistency for the mortar. Don't get it too soupy. Butter up the whole area where the bricks will go. The cores in the bricks give the mortar something to hold on to, so press it in liberally. That'll make the structure stronger. Use bricks without the cores to go along the outside edge. Butter each brick all the way around. Put on as much mortar as there seems to be between existing bricks so the spacing will be consistent. Now set the brick into place, tap it to adjust the level and the spacing, then scrape off the excess mortar. Do the second brick and let the mortar cure overnight. The handrail attaches to the brick with lag screws, which are held in place with lead anchors. An anchor works by spreading apart as the lag screw goes in, so it wedges in tight. These anchor holes have already been drilled. Insert the anchors into the holes, then move the handrail back over them. To determine where to drill the holes, hold the handrail in position and mark the anchor hole locations on the brick. Now, just insert the lag screws and tighten them down with a socket wrench.